Iraq's death spiral, the complex factors contributing to the country's decline. Iraq, once the cradle of civilization, has been struggling with conflict and instability for decades. The country has been ravaged by war, sectarian violence, and political turmoil. The U.S. invasion of 2003, sectarian tensions, and the rise of ISIS have all contributed to Iraq's tragic state. Millions of Iraqis have been forced to flee their homes, and the country is still struggling to rebuild its infrastructure. Despite being one of the world's largest oil producers, Iraq's economy has been crippled by corruption, mismanagement, and a lack of investment in key sectors. Protests against the government have erupted in recent years, as citizens demand an end to corruption, better services, and more opportunities. The situation in Iraq is complex and multifaceted, but it is clear that solutions must be found to address the root causes of the country's decline. The road ahead will not be easy, but there is hope that Iraq can once again become a prosperous and stable nation.